Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to export Claude Conversation as a Word document. Alright, so first of all, just open a new tab, go on Chrome Web Extension, okay, Chrome Web Store. Now click on the search bar and type here Claude Exporter. Okay, now make sure to download this extension right over here, Claude Exporter, Claude Chat to PDF, Notion, Word and more. You will see an option over here, add to Chrome. Click on add to Chrome and your extension will be added to your Chrome. Now go back again on Claude and here go on top right and click on this puzzle icon right over here and make sure you have pinned your extension right over here like this. Now reload the page and you will see these options right over here. Click on export to Word. Wait for a few seconds and as you can see, you can save your document. Now click on save. As you can see, you can save this document right over here. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.